Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Lilliput in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we're giving you a tour of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino development. Now this development is going to involve building three massive hotels, over 2,500 hotel rooms spread out among the three. The first of the three is what we're looking at now, which is the Unico Hotel. It's going to be 451 rooms, and that is the development we're looking at today. The second hotel to be built will be the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which will be to the right of this hotel development. And the third development is going to be the Ritz-Carlton, which will be to the left of this development. Now, all three hotel chains belong to RCD Hotels. So they are going full steam ahead in investing in Jamaica. And I must say, this development is going up quickly. This is the fastest moving development I have seen in Jamaica. The contractor is from the Dominican Republic. It's a massive, massive, massive development when you include all three hotels. Now, the largest hotel in Jamaica is going to be the Princess Hotel in Hanover at 2,000 rooms. Currently, the largest hotel in Jamaica is the Bahia Principal in St. Anne's Bay, with over, I think it's 1,104 rooms. But remember now, this hotel development is spread out among three hotels. So even though it's going to be 2,500 hotel rooms, when all three hotels are finished, it won't be on the list of largest hotels in Jamaica because the rooms are spread out among three hotels. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.